Today's day 3, I think.
4.
Day 4, sorry. Of our honeymoon. Woke up this morning pretty early, 7 o'clock, usual. We ate, and now we're walking towards the pier to catch a boat, and today we're gonna go snorkeling. So that said, it's gonna be very fun. And then we're probably gonna come back, and we're not entirely sure what we're gonna do after we come back, because we only spend like 3 or 4 hours over there. So, but it should still be fun.
We just got back from snorkeling, which is why my face looks like this. But there was just a guy on the side of the boat with his own boat. Like,
He's right here.
he brought his own boat, and he found coconuts that he puts sky juice in. Really delicious.
Alrighty guys, so we came back, we ate, and now we're going to Atlantis, to the little shops. Yeah, this morning was very fun. I loved it, Melanie loved it. It was a fun time, and we can't wait till tomorrow, because tomorrow we go into little...
They're called subs. They're basically like your own little pod, because we aren't certified to scuba dive. So they basically take you in like your own personal sub to view the sea creatures.
For that, and now we're just we're walking over to Atlantis. Atlantis is back there. But we're gonna continue the fun. It's been fun so far. So I guess we entered the casino, because there's a bunch of stuff, a bunch of casino things. So we're now going to cross a rope bridge, and we're actually about to get on, and like now here we are. super cool. And then there's water underneath.